हाय फ्रेंड्स, पहले वाले वीडियो में हमने द ट्विंस के जो है वार्मिंग अप चिट चैट को सॉल्व किया था। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल सॉल्व इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप माय इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक स्टैंडर्ड 10th का। शुरू करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, रीव राइट पुटिंग द मिस्टेक्स इन स्पीकर्स लाइफ इन देयर प्रॉपर ऑर्डर। प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में आपको इस तरीके से लिखना है। ए पे आएगा, नो वन इन द फैमिली कुड डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द ट्विन बेबीज at the naming ceremony. Wrong names were given to the twin brothers. The narrator got beaten up often at school. The speaker desperately asked for a guidance. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. Even in that, the twins were not spared during burial. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, पिक आउट 4 सिचुएशन इन द lives of the twins which are too absurd and senseless to believe. Number 1, the people began mistaking one of for the other. The speaker's brother got the name John intended for the speaker. The speaker's intended bride became his brother's wife. When the speaker died, the neighbors came and buried his brother John. ये था इसका आंसर। उसके बाद आता है, पोइट यूजेज एमओआर टू, तो आपको लिखना है क्रिएट लाटर टू एंटरटेन रीडर्स, टू क्रिएट गुड मूड, रिड्यूस बैड बोर्डम, to have a sense humor, make readers happy. Third, B, write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. Answer देखिए, first, more somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Second, when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Question number 4, pick out line that contains alliteration का देखिए आंसर, in form and features. B, it puzzle all our kith and kin one day to make the matter worse. उसके बाद आता है second pun, I grieve so like my brother that folks caught taking me for him. Hyperbole का we got completely mixed. It reached a fearful pitch. उसके बाद आता है pick out from the poems that of word that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. आंसर देखिए, form and feature, face and line, turn time, fearful pitch, domestic life, fate's decree. Question number 6, write in your notebook the summary of the poem is about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title, funny twist in the lives of twins. This is a poem about twin brothers who were exactly alike or same in every aspect. There similarly led to confusion among all the relatives. One of the twins is the speaker in the poem. He relates the incidents in his life that took place because of their similarity. For example, while the nurse was bathing them just before they were Christian, she mixed them up by mistake and they were given each other's names. At school, one of them got punishment for the other mistake. These examples are humorous, however, and one mistake completely changed their lives. The speaker's brother got married to his intended bride. The speaker goes on to exaggerate that when he died, the neighbors buried his brother. उसके बाद है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, राइट एन एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम विद द रेफरेंस टू ऑल पॉइंट्स मेंशन इन पेज ऑन पेज नंबर 5. एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम लिखना है आपको। देखिए टाइटल, द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज द ट्विंस. पोएट, द नेम ऑफ द पोएट इज हेनरी एस लैप. राइम स्कीम, द राइम स्कीम ऑफ द पोएम इज ए बी. फेवरेट लाइन है। फेवरेट लाइन आपको लिखना पहला, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. When I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Theme, central idea. The central idea of the poem is the problems faced by one of the identical twins. Figure of speech, alliteration, hyperbole, special feature. Poem is written in a lighter vein to amuse the readers. The poet uses extreme exaggeration to achieve this effect. Still, the exaggeration comes through the poem really convincingly that the reader for a moment is taken in by the absurd logic of the argument. For a moment is taken in by the absurd logic of the argument. Why I dislike the poem? I like the poem for its humor. I also like the poem because the poet balances to exaggeration with a seemingly convincing experiences of the twins. तो ये थे इसके क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग आगे के क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। बाय।